I accidentally put.
Okay, I'm filming. What are you looking for, Adam? A way out?
I love these YouTube videos.
Yep.
I'm looking for Grandma's Pure Filter.
Yeah, it's around here
information.
someplace.
That's not in there.
I'm gonna get a brain freeze.
Plumbing.
Here's my list. I'll show you. You sure you don't want
Cupcakes.
these? You don't want these things that you can make calligraphy?
Grandma, I'm not an old judge. I don't need to write in calligraphy.
And he's not Mike Judge.
And it's not there?
Nobody laughed at that.
No, this is Cap's graduation pictures. Maybe
Graduation.
that's mine.
That's not it.
No, they're not in there.
You don't have it, Grandma.
Look how disgusted Adam is.
I know what he is. He can't do nothing.
It's not in here. You're freaking out over it. It works. You don't need to.
I'm looking for something. Look at this St. Paul's School.
Adam, have you contacted Green Valley School to set up your 10-year class reunion?
No, I haven't.
Good.
this is what
Good
you're gonna
Don't
job.
call me.
No, they won't because they don't know how to get a hold of you.
See, look at this.
Well, Chris's mom works for the school district, and she said she'll help me out.
These are all mine. You can look
All
at
right,
them.
I'm done. I can't look at this anymore. It's driving me crazy.